Alright my dear friends, so now let's learn about Arduino codes of our second project. When we examine our Arduino codes, we observe that we have created a very simple code. Of course, at the moment, we are only learning the information necessary for us to learn serial communication properly. We started our serial communication in our setup function, and you see here, and set its speed to 9600. We defined first parameter as 9600. Next, we entered our loop function and called serial.println function because with this function we can successfully print hello on serial monitor. That's why we called this function. And in every loop iteration we will get the output hello every half seconds. For this we are using delay function. So let's learn the delay function for our friends who don't know. The delay function allows us to give response time to our Arduino codes. It takes one parameter in it. This parameter is of integer type and is in milliseconds. Since we will output hello every half a second, we called our delay function and set its value to 500, and you see here. Alright, we are done. So now let's check our code. For this, let's compile. Alright, we didn't choose our board. For this, let's click here and let's click your Arduino board and let's compile again. And you see we didn't get any errors, so now let's upload our codes to Arduino board. And you see we are done. So now let's move on to our other lesson and let's check our second project.